Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can download an ebook from Squarespace, or how you can sell your ebooks on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on one of my sites, and what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add a product. And for that, click on the Products and Services tab, go into the Products tab, and then click on the Add Product in the top right. Here you'll need to select what you want to sell. You can select from physical, service, download, gift card, and custom merch. For ebooks, as you can see, you can click on download. However, people will have access to this and will be able to redistribute it if you select this, but it is the best option for now. Now, once we're in the editing tab, we'll just create the name, for example, test ebook. Description, this is an ebook. You can add an image if you want. It is not mandatory. You can upload the ebook file right over here. Set the price as well. I'll just set it to, I don't know, 10 bucks. Then under organization, you can add categories if you want to appear in the store's navigation, as well as any tags, which will not be shown in your store, but they will connect keywords to related products. You can also set up selling tools such as product add-ons, as well as you can make it a feature product, add related products and product reviews. You can also set up the SEO of your ebook page for your selling. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You can edit it if you want. You can also edit social share, and you can then edit the checkout information if you want. But yeah, that should be pretty much it. Now I'll just upload a test file, which is just going to be an image as a test for my ebook. And as you can see, I have this JPEG uploaded right over here. Then just click save. You can immediately click publish if you want, and now we have our new product under downloads. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.